Hello everyone, welcome back to Homestead Tools and Gadgets. I know it's been a long time. I've been really busy since I lost my job with Lowe's. I'm just trying to fight to survive. I did get another tool because of my little string trimmer, the little one. The motor started leaking oil and now the switch is starting to fail. But I got a replacement and I'm going to show you. So what I bought was not a collapsible. I got a full size. This is 11 to 13 inch string trimmer kit. Comes with a 5 amp hour battery and it has something else in it that I've never seen. So let me get this unboxed and we'll go over it. So, like I said, this is a V20 Craftsman, 11 to 13 inch. It's got a very heavy duty shield here, which is going to take the screw out. Other than this screw, I don't think there's much of any other assembly. Take the, takes red. I don't know what red is. I'll have to look up the specs on that. So, assembly, a lot easier than before. Doesn't seem to be any bolts, just this little push thing. So let's get it assembled. Maybe. Come on. I've gotten weak. I tell you what, I used to be able to put these things together. Hold on just a second. And that's like tapping in on the bench. Yeah, I guess it's getting kind of old here. And we got a handle. Take this swing bolt off. I like the handle. Wait, I tell you what, getting old really sucks. But you know what? I'm determined I'm going to get this thing on here. There we go. Set it to your height. Where you want it. Make sure it's straight. Shoot. There. Well, you don't think you get to the point you can't even put something together. Yes, I have gotten to that point. Alright. Now that should be plain and simple. Slide this thing in. See how there's a slot in here. Screw. Tighten the screw up. that's basically it. Comes with a 5 amp battery, which these are very rare. I have the 5 amp hour on my mower, the B20 times 2. Takes 2 of these batteries, so it'd be good to have another one. And you get a charger. Now, this charger here is not a fast charger. These batteries take a couple hours to recharge. So, I already have a battery that's fully charged. The other one I set off to the side. So this is one of the ones, the 5 amp hour from my push mower. So we're just going to slide it in. Now, it has a safety on it. On here, you got low and high, but it has something that my other one did not have. Let me show you. So, some of the specs that's on this machine. They say you got 20 volts, you got a no load RPM, you got a minimum of 5,500 if you have it low, up to 7,200 variable speed. It has a push button feed system on it. You can adjust the swap from 11 inches to 13 inches on the end. Line diameter is actually a 0.80. My other one was a 0.65, which bigger string means, well, higher cost, but it will last longer out in the yard when you're cutting this heavy grass like I got. So, the model number is, where is it? It's a CMC ST930P1. So, we're supposed to be able to run this thing over an hour on this battery. So let's crank it up. Safety. So if you want to extend it, I'll put it on low. So this will give me more power on the homestead. What did I pay for this? Now, it was on sale, Memorial Day sale. Instead of paying $160, I paid $139. I did not buy the extended warranty because, well, I didn't buy anything on the other stuff. This comes with a 3-year warranty. Within the 3 years, if something happens to this, you call the company, not Lowe's, you call Craftsman, take pictures, whatever. That's how I replaced that 10-inch chainsaw. I told them what happened. I go, can I get a replacement part? I'll just change it. Nope. Throw it away. We'll send you another one. Let's see how well this thing works. It works like a dream. I may need to just adjust this handle up just a little bit. It's nice to get something for us tall people. Now for the ones that are a little shorter, boy, I tell you, you got it easy. I tell you, self-fed system. Well, not self-feed. And this one here is right at the end. So, you want to perfect. The other one was getting stuck. I had to sit there and pop the bottom open to pull the string out, and it was a bit of a pain in the butt. I love this tool. Not much, guaranteed you can at least get another 3 years out of it. Or in my case, the other one, 5 years. But anyways, that's another video from Homestead Tools and Gadgets. You have an awesome day.